Remote work has caused a lot of disengagement. You have to use tools and innovative ideas to engage your team. Use learning opportunities to engage teams. Actively disengaged employees aren't harmlessly chugging along, but deliberately de-establishing the success of engaged employees, and by extension, your business. This comes back to shared vision. If your teams aren't sharing the same vision as the company, you're going to lose talent and productivity. When your people are empowered with timely, relevant knowledge, they're malleable to market change, be that technological or otherwise. It's the malleability that secures your company's success when the market circumstances are uncertain. By creating an infrastructure for success in your organization, it's not just about being responsive to change, it's about driving change. Innovation is born out of new ideas and experimentation. These are dependent on people possessing relevant knowledge in the first place. Think about those mental models we talked about. In other words, without a culture of continuous learning in place, innovation at your organization doesn't exist. Another astonishing insight is that 44% of companies are measuring the return on investment of learning only from a satisfaction and completion level. If we put off training that really measures outcomes, we lose money. And if we don't provide opportunities to learn for our teams, we won't retain our top talent. It's as simple as that. Results told us that if managers put off training for 3 months, they lose over $2,000 in improved performance. If they put off training for 6 months, they'd be losing over $4,000. If they put off training for a year, that adds up to over $8,500. It's a small example, but I think you get the picture. If professional learning is considered a one-off occurrence rather than a structured journey, you're going to lose while your competition gains ground and while your teams are unmotivated and ill-equipped to adapt to the rapid technological change. By investing in your teams through continuous learning, you are minimizing your likelihood of being negatively impacted by external change. Thanks for watching this video series. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are organizations that have taken the time to understand and can guide you in becoming a learning organization.